Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Welcome. Hi, hello. I'm Em of the Municorny channel here on YouTube, and I'm here today with an unboxing of a very special friend mail. Shout out to you, Kristin. So Kristin mentioned that she was destashing a certain diamond painting that is discontinued from Diamond Art Club, and I was like, shut the front door, let me buy that from you. So we settled that privately, and to my knowledge, she also sent me some extra goodies. I don't really know what we're gonna find in this box today, but she really wanted me to unbox it, so here we are. And I thought I would do like disembodied hand video because this diamond painting is really special and beautiful, and it is discontinued, so I just want to give it all the love and glory it deserves. So here I am with my disembodied hands twirling around, and I'm going to unbox this box here today. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Kristin, for like swapping this with me. I really appreciate it. I've got glue on my fingers. I've been playing with something new that I'm not going to tell you guys about yet, but I've been doing some science experiments in my kitchen. So if my nails look ratchet and this one is this one's like broken off, just pay no attention, okay? Pay no attention to the nails, all right? They're good enough. Leave my nails alone, okay? So here is the box that it arrived in. It actually arrived in a Craftably box, but it's not a Craftably painting. It's a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. I do know that. I know the painting because it's, you know, something I've been wanting and searching for. But yeah, she just sent it in a Craftably box because that's what she had on hand. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Guys, there's the picture. There's nothing else in the box. I'm gonna throw that to the side. Guys, I got my hands on Snow Queen. Oh, I'm screaming inside. I'm so excited. So this is an artwork by Mandy Manzano, a very popular artist when it comes to diamond painting. Mandy Manzano's style is this stained glass sort of look. Every single one of her pieces will be in this fashion. She has a lot of fandom type artwork. I own her Where the Fun Never Ends Adventure Time diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and it is beautiful. It is stunning. I love it. I love working on it. But she has so many things. I don't know why, but it seems like a lot of the Disney character type ones have been discontinued. I'm wondering if it's because of copyright issues. Excuse me, this isn't Disney, this isn't Elsa, it's the Snow Queen. Duh. I don't know. I'm not sure about that one, but I know that this is not available on the Diamond Art Club website anymore, and like, oh my god, I'm so happy to have it in my collection. I absolutely love Frozen. It is one of my favorites of all time. It is amazing. So the deal is with this is she said, I don't remember if it's like it didn't come with a sticker sheet or she lost it. I don't remember because, like I said, this is something that she had in her stash and decided to destash to me. So I don't remember what happened to the original sticker sheet, but she said that she created one for me. So this should be all of the colors and labels, which I am here for. And then here is the picture. It is a round diamond painting with AB, it doesn't say how many, 42 by 97 centimeters. Yeah, beautiful. So I'm going to set that to the side, and here's the box. Okay, this came in, this is not the painting that's inside. This is, well, that is a really cute painting though. A llamacorn, like, hello, that's really cute. So just pay no attention to the box artwork, and let's see what we got in here. Okay, so first thing I see right off the top, and I'm so excited for, she sent me some is it Notchas? I don't know. She sent me some Notcha Mama's Mud by Whimsical Daisies. I'm gonna zoom in for you real fast. So this is like a type of diamond painting wax that you can use. What is this made out of? Does it smell? And it's got a little ghosty on the lid. So cute. I'm wondering if this is from some sort of Halloween collection. I don't know, but it's really, or maybe it's like some type of like ectoplasm. So cool. But I'm really excited to try this out. I've kind of been on this journey of trying out all of the different waxes there are available from different sellers and putties and things like that. So this was one of the ones that I was missing, and I've had all the different waxes and putties out on my table, and I've been trying them all out and loving them all for different reasons. Like I've really had a good time trying them out and enjoying the perks of each one. So thank you so much for sending me that. This is by Whimsical Daisies on Etsy. I'm really excited to try it out and use it. And then we've got the diamond painting. And I think she also included some release papers, which I've also never got to use before. So I'm quite happy about that. These are giant, though. I'm going to have to cut these in half because these are really big. These are Diamond Art Club release papers. They're basically a type of wax I don't know how to describe it. They feel waxy. It's a type of paper that you can replace your clear cover with and section off your diamond painting into more achievable sections. I'm probably gonna end up cutting these in half and using them, but I'm really excited to try these out because I never have before, and you know, see if I enjoy working in sections like that. Thank you so much. It's so nice of you to include those extras. I really appreciate it. I'm excited to try them. Okay, let's take this bad boy out of the bag. Ooh. Alrighty, let's see. I think this is like a long and skinny diamond painting, so there's no way I can fit it all in camera, unfortunately. Oh, let me move this stuff out of the way. Let me move this out of the way. Da-da-da-da. I'll try to zoom out a little bit so you guys can get more of a fuller picture. She's so beautiful. This is kind of like the same, it's like long, like my Adventure Time. Oh my gosh. And she just like keeps on going and keeps on going. And here's her beautiful dress. Oh, so beautiful. And it's all different shades of blue. Can we just look at those drills and look at all of the beautiful shades of blue? I am so excited. And I'm also quite happy that it's round. I have noticed that in my stash, I have built quite a collection of square drill canvases and not a whole lot of round ones. So I'm really happy that this is round. And yeah, it's a great size. I like that it's like thin and you can kind of roll it up and work in a attainable section. So I put it sideways because I can fit more in the camera. Here is a picture of the whole thing laid out so you can see her in all of her beautiful glory. And I put a small Munimade tray with it just to give you an idea of how large this painting is. Wow, absolutely stunning. I love Mandy Manzano. She's so talented. I love her style. Beautiful. I love Frozen. I love Elsa, the Snow Queen. I love it all. I love it so much. So much. So thank you so much, Kristin, for giving me the opportunity to own this beautiful painting, because without you, I would not have otherwise been able to have this in my possession. So you rock. You're amazing. You know that. This is incredible, and I'm so excited. All right, so let's crack open this bag of drills and take a closer look at them. Specifically, I love checking out the ABs and where they go. There are 33 colors in this, and they're all various shades of blue and white, as well as her skin tones and her hair. And like I said, it is round. I think there might just be one AB, if I'm not mistaken. I know in the recent years and months that Diamond Art Club has kind of like upped their AB game. So there might just be one. I'm not sure, but we're gonna take a look. Woo, where does this pink go? Oh, her lips. That's what that is. I was about to say, what? That's gotta be her lips. That has to be. Okay. Listen to that crinkle. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys as we check out these drills. Oh, that's an AB 141. A very, very small amount though. Very, very small amount, but it's very pretty. It's a white, kind of a creamy color, I would say, AB. And if you don't know what AB stands for, it stands for Aurora Borealis. I don't know who named it that, but it's because they're specially treated diamond painting drills that have an extra coating on it that makes them a little bit more iridescent. And so it makes them pop when they're on the diamond painting canvas. And they're used to just kind of highlight certain sections, and they're just extra fun. They're a little bit more tricky to work with though. Your wax tends to stick to them and not want to give them up. So a lot of others. That's such a small amount though. I hope we get more ABs. That's just like a tiny little bit. I wonder where they go. We'll find it in a bit though. Let's keep going, checking out all the colors. Here is another AB 138. It's interesting because on the chart on the side, the ABs are not grouped together, which is quite interesting. This one's at the bottom and the other one was at the very top. So that we have a lot of that one. 138. It is a blue AB. So pretty. Such a beautiful coating. And some more. This is like a deep navy color. And let's look at the second string of baggies we have over here. Just a whole bunch of shades of blue, pretty much. We just got blue on blue on blue. Ooh, this is a nice color. 3846. Good thing there's a heck of a lot of it because I love that color. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Blue is just such a pretty color, and there's so many different shades of it. It just works so well. So this color, we have a lot of 5200, a bunch of white. Yep, that's going to be in all these snowy, icy parts of the painting. And then, oh gosh, 3 bags at 310. That's another thing about Mandy Manzano specific paintings is because of the stained glass style, all of these black lines running throughout, that's going to require a lot of 310, which is your true black diamond painting drill. It's going to require a lot of 310. So you're always going to be working with a ton of 310s. My favorite tip when it comes to the Munimade trays is I love having a large tray out with my 310s. And then I have the smaller tray with my different colors interspersed in between, and I leave them both out at once and work out of both size trays. So love that. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh gosh. I hope you guys love it too. This isn't like a new canvas, and I'm sorry, this is discontinued, so I can't link it anywhere for you guys to go purchase if you like this. I guess you just have to get lucky and find someone who's destashing it like I did. And I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful to have such sweet and incredible friends who are willing to go through the effort of like mailing this to me and destashing it. And I just, yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm really excited to try out the Nacha Mama's Mud from Whimsical Daisies. I have heard wonderful things about it, specifically from Diamonds and Washi, Katie, and it does have a different texture than normal wax, so I'm very interested to see how that works for me. And thank you for going through the effort of printing out these sticker labels. That's going to be really helpful. Thank you. Okay, so let me find where the ABs go and take you guys on a little bit of a tour through this canvas. So I think what Diamond Art Club does is the numbers that are like less than 200 or maybe even less than 300 are going to be ABs. So our first AB is number 141, and that's at the top here with the symbol, the number 1 symbol. And then our second AB, that one we had a whole bunch of that was blue, is all the way at the bottom, at number 138, and it's kind of like an upside down, what do you call this? There's like a math word for that. Not parallel, perpendicular. Oh my God, look at me pulling out my knowledge from school, even though it's been many years. A little perpendicular symbol. So let's find where those are. The number ones are in her hair, so just to kind of like make her hair shimmer and shine at the top here, that's where I'm seeing a lot of number ones. They could be somewhere else, but there wasn't that many of them, so it might just be something that highlights the top of the Snow Queen's hair. Let me take a look at her dress and see if I find that symbol anywhere else, and I do not. And then secondly, the little perpendicular symbol with all of the blue ABs. Let's take a look where we see that and where we're going to be highlighting with that. So it looks like that one. Let me roll the top of this so I can get what I'm trying to show you in frame here. It looks like we're using that one to highlight parts of her dress. So here, like all of these kind of lighter color bits right here, I can zoom in even closer to show you guys. Right here, we're just highlighting portions of her dress and making that really pop and sparkle. That's where I'm seeing those symbols used the most, right here by this swirly, and over here by this swirly, over here on the side. And I'm not seeing it anywhere else besides her dress, but I'm going to take one more peek through it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And as always, from Diamond Art Club, you know that the symbol quality is going to be good. The drill quality is going to be good. The canvas is going to be good. Everything is good. There's no complaints. Oh, my string of drills just fell off my table. And oh, I'm seeing some more of that symbol just throughout the bodice here of her dress. So it's just used, it looks like, to highlight portions of her dress and really make her look fancy and shine. So that's that. Oh, she's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to work on this. I'm trying to get to the point where I only have 2 diamond paintings going at a time. At most, giving myself room to do 1 round and 1 square at a time. Oh, and when you hear that, I'm referring to the shape of the drills. So I know there might be some people watching who aren't as familiar with diamond painting, but there's 2 different shapes of drills. There's square drills, little diamonds, and then there's round ones. And typically round is more easier and goes a lot faster because square, you have to have them perfectly straight or else it starts to look really wonky and doesn't fit on your canvas. So that's that. Thank you so much. What a happy friend mail indeed today. I really appreciate it, and I'm really excited to have this discontinued kit in my possession. I love her. Thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this this little video. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for everything. You're great. You're awesome. You can find links to all of the things that I do around the internet in my description, as always. And a huge shout out and thank you to my Ko-fi members and supporters over there. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Today is actually Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I love you. I probably won't have this video up today, but hey, whenever you see it, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had a good one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.